So I've been in Florida, and we say Florida is not a real place. We are here with probably the largest collection that certainly I've ever seen of Aventador SVJs. Yes, you heard that right. Lamborghini Aventador SVJs. We're going to count them in just a second. I'll tell you how many there actually are. But I got to tell you this. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn notifications on because you're going to want to see all these videos. I'm going to walk through the line here and show you all of these Aventador SVJs. Some of them you know already online. Some of them are going to be new to you. The specs are freaking amazing. Let's take a look. So, of course, I said SVJs, but you know that what's in front of you here is an SV, but it's close. It's close. And this is Verde Ithaca. This is one of my favorite colors, as you know. Next to it, on the right, is a all-white SVJ with, look at the wheels. It's beautiful. This is white. It's got a carbon fiber roof. It is a roadster. All right, should we walk down the line and then we can always come back up? All right, keep going. Also behind me, you're going to see we have, again, my second favorite color, and that is Viola Pacife.
Yeah, so I'm a brick. Hey, how you doing?
Sorry about that. All right, so Viola Pacife with the bronze wheel. This almost reminds me of my purple Monte. This car is pretty insane. And it's got a crazy exhaust that shoots flames like mad. Next to it is Step Jack 11 in his Giallo Orion SV. So again, we have a couple of SVJs and SVs here. This was built as an SVJ meet, but you can't keep the V12s boys down. They're gonna show up. And we even have a couple of V10s, special V10s. Anyway, Step Jack, go check him out. We've got, and again, all of these cars have exhaust, custom exhaust. Now, this car you're going to want to see. If Batman wanted to do a little bit of an upgrade, a little bit more controversial, Nero Nemesis with matte gold wheels, bronze wheels really, and if you want to see an interior that's going to knock your socks off, this is it. Check this out. Yeah, that is pretty damn wild. And yes, of course, if you know it's here in South Florida, it's got to be a roadster. And this is, in fact, a roadster. All right. Not to be outdone, we've got another yellow SVJ. And again, roadster. You see the common theme here? Roadster. All right, let's go through.
Everywhere I go.
We've got a matte purple coupe with yellow contrasting interior. There's actually a matching McLaren 720S on the other side, but we're not going to talk about that because this is the Lambo meet. Next up is, got it. Hey, how are you? So this, look at the color combination. This gray with this kind of blue Cepheus and Ring King, and you know this, if you know anything about the Aventador SVJ, it held the title of fastest car around the Nürburgring for approximately 2.5 years. That's a big deal. Got a modified carbon fiber hood, and I just love the accents on this car. It really makes it pop and stand out. How you doing, bro? Good, how are you? Good to see you. It's been a while. How are you? Hey guys. So, you've seen this car before, but not in this color. This is a new wrap, and it looks awesome. It's this sort of a satin green. Its real color underneath is a red, but look at the combination. It is a roadster, and again, there's a common theme here. Roadster, beautiful interior, and of course the gold wheels. Moving back, again, you're going to see it. What's the common theme here? Roadster. Another rare color, this bronze, this gold color. It's not really bronze, it's oro. And again, with this, the carbon fiber just pops on this color. It's pretty amazing. Just look at what this looks like. We had another buddy who actually had the coupe, sold it, but he's all about roadsters, so that's the car to go with.
82.
Ready? Of course, we also got Giallo here. It too is a roadster, and we're gonna do what we're gonna do. Another roadster wrapped chrome main character SVJ with silver wheels. Off, we've got, well, not quite an SVJ, but again, as I said, if you're gonna go out, you're gonna end up bringing your V12 friends, and of course, got a body kit here with a huge snorkel and, or roof scoop if you want to call it that, but it's got a kind of a Veneno spine. I don't know what body kit this is, but it obviously has a triple exhaust. This is actually a Valvetronic exhaust, it looks like here. And just a mean looking set of wheels and rims. Pretty impressive. Got fender intakes or fender vents. Pretty aggressive, and a kind of a Aventador SVJ front end as well. And last but not least is a blue CFS. It's a coupe. And it's Nick's Castle, who owns this, it looks like, at Nick's Castle on Instagram. And again, all the carbon fiber, kind of an orange interior, contrasting interior. Pretty nice orange calipers. SVJs, all of these. This is one of my favorite colors, by the way, on and from Lamborghini, this blue CFS. Anyway, we're going to be going for a ride pretty soon, and we're going to get some cool rolling shots. That I'm going to try to link on my socials when it's all done. But I want to thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of these videos, you got to hit the subscribe button and turn notifications on, because South Florida is not a real place, and the Lamborghini cars are just absolutely incredible. With that, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.